This is why you need to convert your videos into text summaries, to save time, enhance accessibility, and catch all the details in a snap. Hey everyone, today I'll be your guide on a super simple journey to converting any video into a text summary using AI. Let's get started. First up, choose your favorite AI transcription tool. I personally love Otter.ai and Descript for their ease and accuracy. Just upload your video file. These tools are pretty flexible, supporting formats like MP4, AVI, and even MOV. Drag, drop, and let the magic begin. Once uploaded, the tool does its thing, transcribing your video's audio into text in just a few minutes. After the transcription, take a moment to skim through for any hiccups. Handy editing features make fixing mistakes a breeze. Now for the cool part, creating the summary. Use the tool's own summary feature or pop the text into a summarization tool like SMRI or ChatGPT. Happy with your summary? Export it, save it, or just copy it right to your clipboard. And voila! You've transformed your video into a concise text summary. Found this tip helpful? Hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tricks. Catch you in the next one.